Hello, Dr. Bill here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at word problems made easy, and here we will involve variables in this problem. So this is a rather tough problem, but we're going to look at how to make it very easy. So let's look at it this way. If you find this lesson valuable, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like icon, and share with anyone you know that could benefit from lessons like these. Okay, so here we have an equation up at the top involving three variables. Looks kind of complicated. And then let's see what it says. It says Acme Lighting Company monitors its quality control by using the above formula to determine its bulb fault rating, C, based on the number of defective filaments, A, and the number of functional parts, B. Which of the following expresses A in terms of B and C? Well, we could manipulate this algebraically and try to find the answer, but that's going to be a lot harder. You know, whenever we have an ACT, SAT, or other problem on a standardized test that's multiple choice, we're going to do much better by plugging in values for A, B, and C, right? So why don't we do this? Let's look here. What about if we call A 9, A equals 9, and then B equals 12, and then here if we plug those values in, A is 9, so we get 9 over B is 12, 12, A is 9, minus 9, and here we get 9 over 3 equals 3. So that means that C equals 3, right? So we're going to put 3 down as a value for C, right? Okay, now, what is the question? The question is, which of the following expresses A in terms of B and C? So we're looking for A as our target, right? And A is 9. So 9 is our target. I'm just going to circle that and write target. Okay, so now our job is quite easy. We plug in 9 for A, 12 for B, and 3 for C, and we see which one of these answers gives us our target of 9, right? Okay, now, we want to take a deep breath here, right? And before we start plugging in numbers, we want to use a little bit of logic to see if there's anything we can eliminate right off the bat. Now, what do we know again about C? It's 3. If we look at answers A and C here, for the denominator we have 1 minus C in both of them. Well, if C is 3, 1 minus 3 is negative 2, and then if we divide any number by a negative, we're going to get a negative. But we know our target number here is 9, which is positive. So it's absolutely impossible for A or C to be correct, right? So now we just have to plug in for two values, right? And if I kind of look at B for a second, B is 12, right? And 12 over 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's not going to give us our target of 9. So I'm quite sure here that the answer will be D. So let's just try it out, right? And again, we're looking for a target of 9, okay? Well, we have here again C is 3 times our B is 12, 3 times 12, over our denominator of 1 plus C, which is 3. And this is going to give us 36 over 4, which indeed equals 9. Bingo, we've matched our target. So our answer here is D, and you see we were able to convert a relatively hard word problem with multiple variables into a very straightforward arithmetic problem because we plugged in numbers that made sense. And again, the idea here is when we plug in numbers, we want to try to come up with easy numbers. I could have used different numbers for A and B and gotten my corresponding C, but again, I wanted something that would work out fairly easily, right? So just take a moment, and when you plug in, if you plug in different numbers, it will still work, okay? All right, this is Dr. Bill. Again, thank you very much for watching this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please share this with anyone you think could benefit. Again, subscribe to the channel and like the videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.